I have often been asked, how do you make it from poverty to the top? Is it luck, Dr. Chen? It's not luck. I can tell you right now, I wanted to rise up to the top. I recognize this is a race because I saw so many people fall by the wayside and suffered. I didn't want to be like that. So you need negative role models. The people who are bad, you don't want to be like them. But you need positive role models. Who are the people you want to be like? Who do you want to be as good as or better than? I have plenty of those. Being poor was the greatest motivation for me. So anyone who's poor out there right now, you can choose to either be sorry for yourself and blame people around you, or realize that you're lucky. You can't buy poverty. If you're born rich, you don't know what it feels like. You're born poor, you can become rich. So your motivation is your poverty. You can be anything you want to be, but you need tools. You need to figure out who you're going to learn from, who you're going to follow, who you're going to emulate.